Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Hartford Renters Policy Account Management Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type in www.thehartford.com in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Hartford's homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. Select Renters Policy from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the login page for renters insurance policy holders. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, look for the Sign Up or Create Account link. Click on the Create Account link to start the registration process. You will need to provide personal information, such as your name, address, and policy number. Fill in the required fields carefully. Create a unique username and a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow any password requirements listed on the page. After filling out all necessary information, read and accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox for an email from the Hartford. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the login page. Enter your email and password to log in. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Here, you can manage your policy, pay bills, and access important documents. Explore the different options available for managing your renter's policy. If you encounter any issues, look for a help or support link on the website. Use the provided resources to resolve any questions or concerns. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up the Hartford Renters Policy Account Management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.